Hey everybody! With only 6 months left before Colorado residents can vote on Initiative 107, I thought it would be a good time to summarize some of the concerns that come along with wolf reintroduction. Now, if you're not familiar with Initiative 107, this is an initiative to reintroduce and manage wolves in the state of Colorado. Now, I have discussed all of these topics in more detail in my previous vlogs, so I will link those vlogs throughout this video in case you want to learn more about those topics. And I will start off with the concern that wolves are dangerous to humans. Healthy wild wolves generally do not attack humans. Due to their extermination, over time, they have learned that humans mean death, and they will avoid humans as much as they possibly can. Even in states with large wolf populations or wolves that are more habituated to humans, there are little to no attacks on humans. In fact, in the last 150 years, there have been 0 human deaths by wolves in the lower 48 states. If this is a concern to you, then educate yourself. Learn about wolves, their behaviors, their habits, and then you'll know the best way how to peacefully coexist with these animals. The next concern is that wolves will devastate Colorado's elk and deer populations. First of all, wolves do not kill for sport. A wolf's biology enforces strict limits on its capacity to kill ungulates. It is these limits that prevent them from behaving as runaway killing machines. Now, researchers have shown that wolves primarily go after young, old, weak, and sick animals, which makes up a very small fraction of the total prey population. Colorado has very large elk and deer herds that we could easily share with a wolf population. The next concern is that wolves will go after the livestock. In the northern Rockies, with over 1,700 wolves that live there, they have taken 0.03% of the cattle. Due to this, it is estimated that wolves will have a very small impact on Colorado's livestock. Initiative 107 mandates fair compensation for the very rare cases where domestic cattle are lost due to wolves. Another concern is that the wrong wolf will be reintroduced. Now, in all of North America, there are only 2 species of wolves, Canis lupus and Canis rufus. There are numerous subspecies of Canis lupus, and many of them would fit properly into the Rocky Mountain ecosystem. Another concern is that wolf reintroduction is not necessary because there are already wolves in Colorado. One wolf pack is not enough to form a viable population for the entire state. And these wolves are not a sure thing. There's nothing saying they're going to stay in Colorado. Right now, their home range could be spanning over 3 states. So Initiative 107 would help form multiple viable packs, which would then be able to establish a healthy population for the entire state. But the most important thing is to remember that wolves are beneficial to their ecosystems. Wolves help improve riparian health, scavenger species populations, mesocarnivore populations, overall ungulate herd health, ecosystem resilience to climate change, overall ecosystem resilience, and help control the spread of chronic wasting disease. Wolves are a keystone species and they are essential to a healthy and diverse ecosystem. If you guys have more questions or concerns about wolf reintroduction, please leave those in the comments and I will address those in my next vlogs. We want you to be fully educated in all aspects of wolf reintroduction by the time it is time to vote in November. And on that note, don't forget to vote in November. Also, we have some updates on our Wolf March. If you do not know what this is, we are going to be holding a Wolf March in Denver at the Capitol, and this will be happening on October 4th. This is just to raise awareness of wolves and to get people excited about voting in November. You can be from any state and any age to participate. If you are interested in being added to our email list so you can receive updates and details as we get closer to this event, please email us at wolfeducation.org. Thank you guys for tuning in, and hopefully we can hear the beautiful howl of wolves back here in Colorado. If you guys are participating in the nightly howl at 8 this week, let's howl to hear wolves back in the wild. And it is kind of warm and it is midday, but I'll see if we can get these guys to howl for you here. Alright guys, let's get that sound back into Colorado. Get out there and vote in November, and we'll see you on the next one.